How to fix WhatsApp your iPhone date is inaccurate error. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, go ahead and make sure the toggle button for set automatically is toggled on, and if not, then enable the toggle button for set automatically. This will sync your time with Apple's server. Next, you can simply try to restart the WhatsApp app. So if you have opened WhatsApp app, then swipe up on your screen and then go ahead and force quit WhatsApp along with all the apps running in the background, and this will clear temporary glitches in the app. Next, also make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated. And if not, then update the app, as older versions may show errors if the device time is not synced. Also, make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can simply try to enable airplane mode for some time and then disable it again in order to refresh the network connection, as if the phone cannot sync with time servers, the error may appear. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp your phone data is inaccurate error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.